Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a blessed day today on Sunday. This is Martha coming back with y'all with a little bit of touch up about how the living room remake is going. We just got through painting the trim, but we ran out of paint, so we're going back to the store to get some more. And we have to get the silver gray paint too, so we could touch up where some of them, that's where we left off at, where some of it fell on the walls. So we gonna get that off and do it touch up. We did some on the wall because some of it, the black fell on it. We ran out, so they gone back to get some. That's the trim. Yeah, we gotta touch up that right there. But you see on the wall, we don't touch that up. And yeah, that's the trim. And we are still gonna work on the floor after we get through with the painting. Glad when we get through this painting. Painting is a job. We painted the trim around the window. And yep. The process is going. We're gonna paint the ceiling white and take this electric whatever light fixture thing down. And I got new light fixture I'm gonna put up there. And this whatever this was put up here. I didn't put it up there, so we're gonna take that down and paint the whole top white. And this wall right here, where the ladder and the lamp is at, this is the wall where we gonna put our wallpaper on. We're not wallpapering the whole living room, Lord no. We just doing this section right here, and that's it. And I have new pillowcases, new stuff, new end tables. They're in my bedroom right now. I don't want them to get dirty or paint on them. So when I get ready to get through with all this and start to decorate, you're gonna see me change pillows, and you might catch them doing the floors, because yes, we're gonna redo these floors. This is tragic. So we're gonna redo the floors. Yeah, it's a process, a daily process. Because when you have other things, you trying to do this, then you trying to do that, and then you get back to this. So that's what we doing right now. Waiting on some more paint. And the bedroom, I'm not down with the bedroom. We ran into that slight problem, so we have to work on that problem again. I can start back decorating the bedroom. Yeah. And this is the door, the front door that I painted. And we working on the door too. It was white, cream, whatever color it was. So I painted it black. And we get new light fixtures that's right down the wall. So don't worry about that. That's gonna be new. I got my curtains in. I'm taking the blinds down. Cause I already got new curtains coming in. So those blinds will be taken down. Yeah. New TV stand that's gonna be coming. Waiting on Amazon. Yeah. I like the color. And I like what I'm doing. You know, you have to wait till some of the stuff comes in, and some of the stuff being slow with Amazon. process redoing. Floors gonna be the last thing we do after we get through painting, because I wanted to get through painting first before I put my new floors down. Because I'm not putting my new floors down to get paint on it. Because I was going with carpet. I was putting the carpet down in here, but first they're going to have to, basically, we're going to have to redo the floors. On it. We about 50% halfway through. You know, just have to do a little knick-knack here and there. Paint the ceiling white, eggshell white, and take this down and paint the whole ceiling white. So, put my curtains up, like I said, but that's gonna be last thing y'all will see me putting the curtains up, or by somebody put them up, and redoing, putting the new pillows and stuff down. Yes. So don't forget to like and subscribe to Martha's Reader TV, and you'll see plenty more of all this redoing the household. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and have a blessed day.
It's been a long time coming, baby, need a break. Set some stress, suicide, it's time to get away. Ain't nobody take your place, you make sure I'm straight. And all them chicks trying to get you, you don't take the bait. Still